Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking a nice salmon steak. Basically, first thing you want to do is just descale it. I like to leave the skin on because the skin gives it, keeps it from drying out. And actually the skin is really nice and crispy when you eat it, if you fry it up, which is what we're going to do today. First thing we need to do is we need to make a couple of just deep cuts here. This is going to help the salmon prevent it from curling up. We don't want to go too deep. More or less like so. We can do while we're there. Add in a bit of salt. We're going to add in a bit of oil as well. Just rub that all in nicely. Like so. And off we go into the pan. Alright, so you get your pan on the heat, put a bit of olive oil in. I've gone out to the garden and I got some sage. I got some thyme as well, some fresh thyme. And I got some rosemary, just a bit. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of garlic, just a little bit. Give it a little whirl like that. Get it all over the place. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the salmon, skin side down. I'd say about 6 or 7 minutes on the skin side and about 4 or 5 minutes on the when we turn it around a bit later. What we can do at this point is just oil this side. Try a little bit of salt as well. And never forget the pepper. So you can turn them all. Move it around a bit to get those flavors marinating. After a couple of minutes, you can do a little test to check how it's going. Usually you can see from here how far it's gone up. So it's been cooked up to that point there. We'll give it another minute or two and then we'll turn it around. So here we are, time to turn our fish around. Lovely crispy skin, cooked evenly. That's how we do our salmon. How we cook it the right way. We'll do that on this side. Back in the other one. I'm just thinking about 3-4 minutes this side. Here's a bit of kale from the garden. It's going to be delicious with the fish. So we keep the leftover oil from the fish. We turn our fresh kale from the garden. After that, we're going to add some fish sauce. And a bit of lemon juice. You can also throw in a bit of garlic, a bit of salt, and a bit of pepper. And then we're going to throw the lid on and let it steam a couple of minutes. Alright, so now all our ingredients are ready. First things first, we take the kale, we make a nice little bed on our plate, like so. Add all the garlic and everything else that you put in there. And on top of that we add our fish, a lovely salmon steak that we cooked. Like so. And then we finish it off with a bit of lemon. have it. Salmon steak on a bed of kale. Beautiful. Super tasty, super healthy, lovely.